Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Spring Boot REST Client Logging Made Easy, a comprehensive tutorial. Logging is crucial for debugging, monitoring, and understanding the behavior of your applications, especially when dealing with REST clients that interact with external services. Without proper logging, troubleshooting API issues can be a nightmare. This tutorial will guide you through various techniques for effectively logging REST client requests and responses in a Spring Boot application, focusing on simplicity and clarity. We'll cover 1. Choosing a logging framework ** understanding SLF4J and logback, the default in Spring Boot. 2. Basic logging with REST template * manually logging using interceptors and REST template's callback interfaces. 3. Using webclient, Spring webflux logging with exchangefilterfunction for asynchronous, reactive applications. 4. Leveraging MDC, map diagnostic context adding contextual information to your logs for better traceability. 5. Centralized configuration * managing logging levels and formats effectively. 6. Masking sensitive data * protecting confidential information like passwords and API keys. 7. Logging headers and body * understanding the trade-offs and best practices. 8. Error handling and logging * logging exceptions and errors from API calls gracefully. 9. Complete code example * putting it all together in a working Spring Boot project. 1. Choosing a logging framework, SLF4J and logback. Spring Boot uses SLF4J, simple logging facade for Java, as an abstraction layer for logging frameworks. This means you write your logging code using SLF4J's API, and then at runtime, SLF4J binds to a specific logging implementation. By default, Spring Boot uses logback. Logback is a powerful and flexible logging framework that provides many features, including hierarchical logger structure * organize loggers into a hierarchy for fine-grained control over logging levels. Appenders * direct log output to various destinations, console, files, databases, etc. Layouts * format log messages according to your requirements. Filters * conditionally log messages based on criteria. Reconfiguration * dynamically modify logging configuration without restarting the application. To use SLF4J and logback, you'll typically include these dependencies in your pom.xml*. Spring Boot typically includes these by default so you do not have to worry. 2. Basic logging with REST template. REST template is a synchronous REST client provided by Spring. To log requests and responses, we can use interceptors or callback interfaces. 2.1 Using client HTTP request interceptor *. This is the most common and versatile approach. Interceptors allow you to intercept requests before they are sent and responses after they are received. Explanation *. Add component * makes this class a Spring Bean, so it can be automatically discovered. Client HTTP request interceptor * implements the interceptor interface. Intercept * this method is called for each request. It logs the request, using logRequest. Executes the request, using execution.execute. Logs the response, using logResponse. Log request, logs the request URI, method, headers, and body. Important, we convert the body byte array to a string using standard charsets.utf_8. You might need to adjust the char set if your API uses a different encoding. Log response, logs the response status code, headers, and body. We read the response body from the input stream and convert it to a string. *log.is debug enabled, crucially, we only log if the debug level is enabled. This prevents excessive logging in production environments. Always check the log level before performing potentially expensive operations like reading the entire response body. To use this interceptor with your REST template explanation *at configuration marks this class as a configuration class. *REST template builder provides a convenient way to configure a REST template. *interceptors, logging interceptor, adds the logging interceptor to the REST template. *at bean registers the configured REST template as a Spring Bean. 2.2 Using client HTTP request initializer and response error handler, less common, but sometimes useful. While interceptors are generally preferred, these can be helpful in specific situations. Client HTTP request initializer allows you to modify the request just before it's sent, and response error handler lets you handle errors. 3. Using webclient, Spring webflux. Webclient is Spring's non-blocking, reactive web client, ideal for asynchronous applications. The best way to log web client requests and responses is using exchangefilterfunction. Explanation exchangefilterfunction a function that modifies the request and response. Of request processor, creates a filter that processes the request. We log the URI, method, and headers. Important logging the body with web client is more complex because it handles data asynchronously. You would typically need to consume the body using .body to mono, or .body to flux, and log the resulting string or flux string. Be very careful about doing this with large bodies, as it can impact performance and potentially lead to memory issues. Avoid logging bodies by default. Of response processor, creates a filter that processes the response. We log the status code and headers. The same considerations about the body apply as with the request. To use this filter with your web client explanation we use webclient.builder to configure the web client. Filter, logging filter.log request, and filter, logging filter.log response, add our logging filters to the web client pipeline. 4. Leveraging MDC, map diagnostic context. MDC allows you to add contextual information to your logs. This is incredibly useful for tracing requests and responses through different parts of your application, especially in multi-threaded environments. Explanation once per request filter ensures the filter is executed only once per request. MDC.put, request ID, adds a unique request ID to the MDC. You can add other relevant information here, like the user ID, tenant ID, etc. MDC.remove, request ID, removes the MDC value after the request is processed. This is crucial to prevent data from leaking into subsequent requests. Add the MDC filter to your web security configure adapter or use @order annotation to control the filter chain order. To include the MDC value in your logs, configure your logback configuration, logback spring.xml or logback.xml. Notice the %x request ID in the pattern. This tells logback to include the value associated with the request ID key from the MDC in each log message. 5. Centralized configuration, logback spring.xml. Spring Boot automatically detects logback spring.xml or logback.xml in your src/main/resources directory. This is where you configure logback. Asterisk logging levels. Asterisk set the logging level for different packages or classes, example debug, info, warn, error. Asterisk appenders. Asterisk define where the logs should be written, console, file, database. Asterisk layouts. Asterisk format the log messages. Use patterns to customize the output. 6. Masking sensitive data. Never log sensitive data like passwords, API keys, or personal information directly. Implement a masking strategy. Explanation. Asterisk regular expressions. Use regular expressions to identify patterns that contain sensitive data. The example pattern API key equals AZAZ0-9 plus, matches API key equals followed by one or more alphanumeric characters. Adapt this pattern to your specific needs. Pattern.compile, compiles the regular expression. Matcher finds matches in the input string. Append replacement, replaces the matched text with a masked value, example. Append tail, appends the remaining part of the input string after the last match. Use this masker in your logging interceptor. Key considerations for masking. Complexity. Regular expressions can become complex. Test them thoroughly. Performance. Masking can add overhead. Optimize your regular expressions. Scope. Decide where you need to apply masking, example request bodies, response bodies, headers, URLs. Context. Consider the context of the data. For example, you might mask only part of a credit card number, example the middle digits. 7. Logging headers and body. Headers. Generally safe to log, but be mindful of headers that might contain sensitive information, example authorization, cookie. Body. Logging request and response bodies can be very useful for debugging, but it can also be a performance bottleneck and a security risk if you're not careful. Avoid logging bodies in production unless absolutely necessary and you've implemented proper masking. Use the debug log level and make sure to check log.is debug enabled, before reading the body. Large bodies. Be extremely cautious when logging large bodies. Consider truncating the body to a maximum length or logging only a summary. Binary data. Don't try to log binary data directly. This will produce unreadable output and can potentially corrupt your logs. 8. Error handling and logging. Handle exceptions from API calls gracefully and log them appropriately. Explanation. Try-catch block. Encloses the API call in a try-catch block to handle potential exceptions. HTTP client error exception. Catches exceptions related to HTTP client errors, example 4xx status codes. We log the status code and response body for debugging. Log.error, logs exceptions at the error level, including the exception message and stack trace. Rethrowing exceptions. After logging the exception, you can rethrow it to allow the calling method to handle it, or you can handle it directly within the catch block. 9. Complete code example, Spring Boot project. This is a streamlined example. pom.xml src/main/java/com/example /rest-client logging /rest-template logging interceptor.java src/main/java/com/example /rest-client logging /rest-template config.java src/main/java/com/example /rest-client logging /API client service.java src/main/java/com/example/rest client logging/rest controller example.java asterisk src/main/java/com/example/rest client logging/rest client logging application.java asterisk src/main/resources/application.properties asterisk src/main/resources/logback spring.xml. To run this example asterisk 1. Create a new Spring Boot project. 2. Copy the code into the appropriate files. 3. Run the application. 4. Access http://localhost 8080/data in your browser. You can change the URL http://localhost 8080/data, URL equals your _URL. 5. Check the console output. You should see the request and response logged with the debug level. Key takeaways asterisk log levels use appropriate log levels, debug, info, warn, error. Conditional logging always check the log level, log.is debug enabled, before performing expensive logging operations. Masking protects sensitive data by implementing a masking strategy. Error handling handle exceptions gracefully and log them appropriately. Contextual information use MDC to add contextual information to your logs. Performance be mindful of the performance impact of logging, especially when logging large bodies. Configuration use logback spring.xml or logback.xml to configure your logging framework. This comprehensive guide provides you with the knowledge and tools to implement effective REST client logging in your Spring Boot applications. Remember to adapt these techniques to your specific needs and always prioritize security and performance. Good logging is your best friend when troubleshooting complex API interactions.